What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the ClearCryptos education channel. My name is T. Hodge from the Crypto Shop. And of course, you know, I got my man Jay Seals with me. What's going on, brother?
What's good, everybody?
Nothing much, nothing much. Listen, over here on the ClearCryptos channel, we like to focus on the education as well as keep you updated on things that are going on within crypto. Later this evening, there was some information that came out on CNBC in regards to the SEC charging Do Kwon, yes, Do Kwon from the Terra collapse months ago, almost a year ago, right? So we're going to get into the article, then we're going to discuss it. Let us know what you think about the discussion in the comments down below. Justin, take it away.
All right. So in a statement released today, the SEC has filed charges against Terra founder and CEO Do Kwon for fraud. Kind of late, but better late than never, I guess. The regulator alleged Terraform crafted a multi-billion-dollar crypto asset securities fraud. The creator of Terra USD and Luna, Kwon, and Terraform Labs reportedly set in motion a fraud scheme starting on April 2018. According to CNBC, Kwon used both stablecoins to raise billions from investors through the offer and sale of an interconnected suite of crypto asset securities. The SEC has officially filed charges against Terra founder and CEO Do Kwon for the fraud that he committed, allegedly. Specifically, the U.S. regulator has noted a 4-year scheme from the company to defraud investors into raising millions. So this was a long con. He played the long game, and he also left as soon as, the collapse. So there could be some legitimacy here. So the SEC's complaint alleges that Terraform and Kwon marketed crypto asset securities to investors seeking to earn a profit. Additionally, stating Terraform Labs operated by repeatedly claiming that tokens would increase in value. The statement notes that Terraform Labs and Kwon lied to investors when promoting the Luna coin. They repeatedly misled and deceived investors that a popular Korean mobile payment application sued the Terra blockchain to settle transactions that would accrue value to Luna. SEC Chair Gary Gensler stated that Kwon and Terra failed to provide the public with the full, fair, and truthful disclose as required for the host of crypto asset securities. We also allege they committed fraud by repeatedly false and misleading statements to build trust because and cause devastating losses for investors. I mean, honestly, I think they have a home run case. I think that a 2-year-old could probably compile all this information that's been on the internet and see that they defrauded everybody. But the real question is, what's actually going to come out of this? Honestly, is anything really going to come out of this? I mean, he's on the run. Interpol's already after him, and that was like 3 months ago. So, I mean, is this enough, Hobbs? What you think?
Yeah, man. Listen, here's the deal. I think this is another little witch hunt, right? First, we got the stablecoin attacks. We got, the SEC coming down on all these different exchanges. They got investigations for Polygon, Matic, Binance. Everything is being announced. All of a sudden, crypto's pumping, right? Do Kwon, this thing, if they were going to go after him, they should have announced this back in May when Terra actually collapsed, right? Now, there could be a collusion hat that I would put on to say maybe during all the SBF situation, maybe there's more information leading to Do Kwon being guilty. Honestly, at the end of the day, it doesn't matter because if they're not going to actually bring him to justice, actually find him and go after him, it's not going to make a difference. The SEC is not the FBI, right? They're not, Homeland Security, right? They can only say we're charging you, but he still has to show up. They don't have any jurisdiction to go get him, right? So if he decides to show up, he hasn't shown up for anything else. If he decides to show up, maybe they'll get him and prove him guilty, but it's yet to be seen. And when you have that much money and you have no desire to go to jail and no desire to face justice, why would you come back to the U.S. and face the SEC? So that's what I feel.
Exactly. Pretty much a nothing burger, but it's fun to talk about. It's fun to discuss because, what is crypto without a little bit of controversy, right?
Facts. Listen, guys, you let us know what you think in the comments down below. Don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the video or subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Come back and check myself and Justin out on the ClearCryptos education channel. We'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace.